In today's digital world, security is crucial. Cyber attacks are on the rise, and relying only on passwords is no longer enough to protect your online accounts. Access management controls who has access to what in a system, ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive data. MFA requires users to provide 2 or more verification factors to gain access, reducing the chances of unauthorized access. These tools help to prevent unauthorized access, protect sensitive data, ensure security compliance, and enhance user privacy. Here are some of the best tools to secure your accounts with access management and MFA. Okta is a popular identity and access management solution with features like single sign-on and adaptive MFA. 2. Auth0 is great for developers, offering passwordless login and social login integration. 3. Duo Security offers a simple yet powerful MFA solution with 2-factor authentication and a user-friendly interface. 4. Microsoft Azure AD is perfect for businesses using Microsoft services, featuring conditional access and built-in MFA. 5. Google Authenticator is a free and easy tool for adding MFA with time-based one-time passwords. Choose the right tool based on your needs: Okta, Duo, Azure AD for businesses, Auth0 for developers, Google Authenticator for individuals. Access management and MFA are critical for securing your online presence. Protect your accounts and reduce cyber attack risks. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest security tools and tips. Check out our other videos to enhance your cybersecurity knowledge.